81. Advising a customer on credit card options. Context. A customer visits the bank to inquire about credit card options. Hi, I'm interested in getting a credit card. What options do you have? We offer different types: cashback, travel rewards, and low-interest cards. What's your priority? I travel frequently, so a card with travel benefits would be great. Our travel rewards card offers free airport lounge access, no foreign transaction fees, and miles on every purchase. That sounds good. What's the annual fee? The first year is free, then $95 per year. However, if you spend over $5,000 annually, the fee is waived. What's the credit limit? It depends on your income and credit score. Typically, it ranges from $5,000 to $20,000. Sounds great. What do I need to apply? Just your ID, proof of income, and a credit check. I have everything. Let's proceed. Perfect. I'll start your application now. 82. Assisting a customer with a business loan application. Context. A small business owner inquires about getting a business loan. Hi, I run a small business and need a loan to expand. What options do you have? We offer small business loans, equipment financing, and credit lines. How much do you need? Around $50,000 to open a second location. We can provide a term loan with fixed monthly payments or a flexible line of credit. Which do you prefer? A term loan sounds better. What's the interest rate? It depends on your credit and business performance, but it starts at 6.5% annually. What are the requirements? Business registration, financial statements, and tax returns for the past 2 years. I have those. How long does approval take? Usually 5 to 7 business days. Sounds good. Let's start the process. Great, I'll guide you through the application now. 83. Helping a customer set up automatic bill payments. Context. A customer wants to automate monthly bill payments. Hi. I'd like to set up automatic payments for my utility and phone bills. Can you help? Absolutely. Do you want to pay using your checking account or credit card? My checking account. How does it work? You provide your bill details, and we automatically deduct the amount each month. Will I get a notification before payment is made? Yes. You'll receive an alert 3 days before the due date. That's great. Can I set a limit in case my bill is unusually high? Yes, you can set a maximum amount. If your bill exceeds that, we'll notify you instead of processing the payment. That's exactly what I need. Let's set it up. Perfect. I'll get everything arranged now. 84. Assisting a customer with an overdraft fee inquiry. Context. A customer notices an overdraft fee on their account and asks about it. Hi, I just saw a $35 overdraft fee on my account. Can you explain? Sure, it looks like your account balance went negative when a payment was processed. Oh, I didn't realize. Can this fee be waived? If this is your first overdraft, I can waive it as a one-time courtesy. That would be great. I'll be more careful next time. No problem. Would you like to set up overdraft protection? It links your savings account to cover shortfalls. That sounds like a good idea. How does it work? If your balance goes negative, funds will transfer from savings automatically, avoiding fees. Let's do that. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. I'll set it up now. 85. Assisting a customer with a lost credit card. Context. A customer calls the bank after losing their credit card. Hi, I lost my credit card. What should I do? Don't worry. I'll block your card immediately to prevent unauthorized charges. Would you like a replacement card? Yes, please. How long will it take? Standard delivery takes 5 to 7 business days, but we can expedite it within 48 hours for a $25 fee. I need it quickly. Let's go with the expedited option. No problem. I'll process the request now. Do you want to review recent transactions for any suspicious activity? Yes, let's check. I see no unauthorized charges, but keep monitoring your account. Okay. Thanks for your help. Your new card will arrive soon. 86. Advising a customer on a student loan. Context. A college student visits the bank to inquire about student loan options. Hi, I'm starting college next semester and need a student loan. What options do you have? We offer federal student loans and private loans. Have you applied for federal aid yet? Yes, but it's not enough to cover my tuition. In that case, a private loan might help. What's the amount you need? About $15,000 per year. We can offer a loan with a 4.5% interest rate if you have a cosigner, or 6% without one. My parents can cosign. How long do I have to repay? You get a 6-month grace period after graduation, then up to 10 years to repay. That sounds manageable. What's the next step? Just fill out an application and provide your co-signer's details. Great, let's do it now. Perfect. I'll walk you through it. 87. Helping a customer with a mortgage refinance. Context: a homeowner wants to refinance their mortgage to get a lower interest rate. Hi, I'd like to refinance my mortgage. What's the current rate? Our rates start at 3.8% for a 15-year term and 4.2% for a 30-year term. That's lower than my current 5% rate. What are the benefits of refinancing? You'll save on interest, lower your monthly payment, and possibly pay off your loan sooner. Sounds good. What's the process? We'll need your income proof, home value assessment, and a credit check. How long does it take? Typically 3 to 4 weeks. Are there any fees? Yes, closing costs range from 2% to 5% of your loan amount. That's reasonable. Let's start the process. Great, I'll get the paperwork ready. 88. Assisting a customer with a travel notification for their credit card. Context: a customer is traveling abroad and wants to avoid issues with their credit card. Hi, I'm traveling to Europe next week. Do I need to inform the bank? Yes, it's best to set up a travel notification to avoid your transactions being flagged as suspicious. How do I do that? I can set it up for you now. Which countries will you be visiting? France, Italy, and Spain. Got it. Your card will be approved for transactions in those countries. Also, would you like to enable international ATM withdrawals? Yes, please. What are the fees? There's a $3 fee per withdrawal, plus any local bank charges. That's fine. Anything else I should know? Just make sure to use a secure internet connection when checking your account abroad. Thanks for the advice. My pleasure. Have a great trip. 89. Helping a customer set up an investment portfolio. Context: a customer wants to start investing but doesn't know where to begin. Hi, I want to start investing, but I'm not sure where to begin. That's great. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term returns? I'd prefer long-term growth with moderate risk. In that case, a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds would be ideal. How much do I need to start? You can begin with as little as $500, but for better diversification, $5,000 is recommended. What's the expected return? Historically, a balanced portfolio earns around 6 to 8% annually. That sounds good. How do I start? We'll set up an investment account, assess your risk tolerance, and build your portfolio. Let's do it. Excellent. I'll guide you through the setup. 90. Assisting a customer with an unauthorized transaction. Context: a customer notices an unfamiliar charge on their bank statement. Hi, I just saw a charge for $200 on my account that I don't recognize. What should I do? Let's check your recent transactions. Do you remember making any purchases around that time? No, I didn't make any transactions that day. It could be fraud. I'll temporarily block your card while we investigate. That's a good idea. How long will it take? We'll review the charge within 5 to 7 business days. If it's fraudulent, we'll refund the amount. And if it's not fraud, if it turns out to be an authorized charge, we'll provide details on the merchant. Got it. Can I get a replacement card in the meantime? Absolutely. I'll issue a new card for you now. Thanks. I appreciate the help. You're welcome. We'll keep you updated.